Hi, I'm Shashank from 7Tech Pro Innovations, and today I'm going to talk about mechatronics and how it affects us in our daily lives. So as we know, the invention of machines during the Industrial Revolution changed the way how work used to be done. Machines played an integral role in boosting the productivity of processes and helped the inception of new technologies in the industry. Introduction of automation in our industry contributed a lot to the advancement in technology. Automation opened a way to program and control these machines by using principles from mechanical, electrical, and computer science engineering to create more reliable and better systems. Now this fusion of various engineering disciplines have to involve a new engineering discipline called Mechatronics engineering. Like these, many more engineering principles can be integrated together to create much more branches such as biomechatronics. An example being of a pacemaker for the heart. We as an engineer can bring out many more branches like these to create our very own engineering field that may help to solve much bigger problems. That's why we at 7Tech Pro Innovations always welcome you to incubate for such innovations. Visit and connect with us through website and our social media to get more insights on such projects and courses. Thank you and all the best.